welcome back to another episode of Things You Can Read YouTube on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a professional salon blowout at home. The styling products of my choice are coconut oil, argan oil, and a bottle of water. You can get this at your local sink in the kitchen. The tools that you absolutely need are a round brush, a blow dryer with a cooling button, a clip, well, a variety of clips, and one hair. Let's begin. The key here is to use a wide tooth comb to eliminate any knots that would otherwise form, to eliminate your hair falling to the floor, and you can always use the argan oil cream, which is a leave-in conditioner, to smooth out the hair, eliminate frizz, and hydrate it. All information about that product will be below. The standard for at-home sectioning your hair is just sectioning from top, center, and bottom. Now, if you want to go all the way and start sectioning your hair off into 9 different parts, from left, right, and then the back, you can always do so. This is where free will kicks in and you can separate your hair as you please. One of the biggest frustrations I see people have when they're new to this is the fact that they think their hair is just going to blow everywhere because of the air from the blow dryer. In this case, it's not going to happen because your hair is wet, which means that it's going to stick to whatever you put it in front of. And then when you're ready, in order to reduce all of the hair going everywhere, you just turn on the blow dryer when it's in front of the hair and then pull downward at your own pace. I recommend turning on the blow dryer when it's facing the hair and then turning it off to repeat. Focus on the roots, roll the brush, and move forward and upward. Focusing on the roots reduces heat damage to the ends of the hair. Make sure to press the cooling button to set hair in place and then roll it and clip it away separately. You're going to apply the argan oil, which is a leave-in conditioner and heat protectant. Then you're going to wrap the hair around the brush. You're going to pull upward and forward for volume. You're going to focus on the roots, and you're going to allow the hair to cool down and clip it away. In order to speed up the cooling process of the hair and maintain its integrity and health, you're going to press the cooling button. Spray water on any dents you have in the hair, and then restyle it to your choosing. Always start off on the sides of your head and then move towards the back. Pulling the hair in the opposite direction that it naturally falls is what forces the hair to fall and have volume. You can also start from the back and then move towards the front. Then you can use any finishing spray of your choice. And this is what your hair should look like in the end. I like to pick up my hair in a very intricate and luxurious way. You can always go to the salon for this, but I prefer just to use a scrunchie. For this hair tutorial, you pull your hair up, make an S shape, and then tie it with a scrunchie. Congratulations, you are now trained in the arts of blow drying your hair at home. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below.